Welcome to Powergate. My name is Pete Judson. I'm the Operations Director for UK and Ireland. More and more leading companies are choosing to host their mission-critical systems at telecity group data centres. The one I'm going to take you through today is Powergate, telecity group's newest London data centre. It's one of 8 data centres we operate in London, and it underpins our premium offering of reliability, security, quality and connectivity. The site is manned by 24/7 365 security guards who monitor the extensive digital CCTV and access systems. A highly secure and visible 3-metre high anti-crash barrier fence protects the buildings from intruders. Access to the site is controlled by a 3-stage authentication process that comprises of a swipe card, PIN and biometric recognition. Tailgating through the airlocks is prevented by the use of intelligent camera systems that recognise multiple persons inside.
Please, identification completed.
We have diverse power feeds to site, 2 25 MVA feeds. In the unlikely event that we do have a mains failure, we have 12 2-megawatt generators. These generators are constantly warmed and can come up to speed in a matter of seconds to support the site. So the generators are supplied by diverse fuel tanks. Each one of the fuel tanks is capable of delivering 48 hours at full design load. So this is one of our 12 UPS rooms. Each room has 4 hybrid UPS units configured in an N+1 basis. These units provide the conditioned power to the data suites. Should there be a mains fluctuation or outage, the units are backed up for 10 minutes by battery. It only takes a matter of seconds for the generators to come up to speed. Once they're at speed, the units are then powered by the generators. The power then goes to an output panel. The output panel then feeds the busbar system, and the busbar system takes the conditioned power to the PDUs within the data suites. This is where we provide the resilient power and the resilient cooling for our clients. We have the flexibility where we can offer 2 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts or 20 kilowatts a rack, either in N+1 or 2 N+1. So we also have the flexibility and capacity to offer our clients 1 square metres, 2 square metres or even dedicated zones. Some of these zones could be in excess of 600 square metres. So each one of the data suites is covered by sophisticated smoke detection and fire suppression. We have a Vesta system below the floor as well as above the ceiling. So here we are in one of our pump rooms. These are the pumps that physically move the chilled water system around the site. These are A and B systems for resilience. Should one fail, the other one will automatically kick in. So we're now in one of the air handling plant rooms. These air handling units provide the fresh air makeup to the data suites as well as to the office environment. So we have 12 1.2 megawatt dry air coolers. These units are the units that extract the heat from the cooling systems within the data halls. Should one of these units fail, they're all set up on an N+1 basis. We also have the additional benefit of free cooling if the external temperature drops below 10 degrees. The infrastructure and personnel at Powergate are totally geared towards providing continuous connectivity regardless of external influences. To maximise protection, we've designed and built resilient and redundant power and cooling systems and the latest fire and security protection and N+1 provisioning as a minimum on critical services. Powergate allows total flexibility when managing your IT needs, whether you have a single rack or a private suite.